Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. So, today I'm gonna to talk about a new UI library called Park UI, which is recently I think published. So, let's have a look how it looks like, how it works. Okay, let's jump into the docs. As you can see, here are some components showcased like cards and forms and all. Let's dive into the documentation and let's first dive into the components part. So these are the component, but before that we should go to the how to set up this UI library. Okay, just framework. Okay, okay, so it uses panda css behind the scene. Okay, you have tailwind option as well. You can use tailwind css as well. Nice. So if you don't know what is panda css, so this is a css for JS engine, and this is created by the creator of Chakra UI. Now let's go to the another thing. This is the setup part. You can set up into your app. You know, if you ever use the Shadcn UI, it looks like the same feel of Shadcn. I think they took inspiration from the Shadcn. Okay, so okay, you can also create in the Figma and convert them into Park UI kit. Okay, they have their Figma library. You can't do that. They have created into Figma and converted it into the code and showcased here. So these are some channel logs. Okay, here are the some colors, all the colors that you have in the Tailwind CSS. Also, let's say semantic tokens are there, customization. Okay, so let's dive into the component first. These are the components here. I also want to take a look how component works in the panda css. So this is, they'll all look same, but you know the what is the beautiful part of this UI library and also the Shadcn as well. So they provided code here, so you don't need to install the whole library, UI library or all their components. Otherwise, if you go to the MUI, you have to install the full UI system, or you can say the whole component into your application, whether you are using that component or not. So this is the beauty of the modern CSS libraries. Like Shadcn started this thing, and if you let's go to the Shadcn. Okay, I told you that Shadcn and Park UI looks like same, and they took inspiration from the Shadcn. So if you go to the component part, let's say I want to use the alert. So what I have to do is I just need to run this command. It will install the alert component into my application, and it will looks, or if you want to install manually, there is an option for that as well. So you just need to create a alert.js or tsx file and paste this code into that file, and that here you go. This is it. You don't need to install all other components. You can install whatever you want. So this is the beauty of modern CSS frameworks or UI libraries. So let's dive into other components. My favorite part is buttons because I like buttons. And let's go to the avatar. This is Good. Now let's see. Okay, they have provided color picker as well. Combo box looks like this. Okay, let's try into the tailwind. Okay, they look same, no such differences are there. Dive into the dead picker. Okay. Nothing. Can I change the here? Yeah, that's a good part. Let's dive into the edit table. Okay, what is that? Edit. Okay, it seems good. What about the drawer part? Okay, if honestly I told you Shetchen looks very good compared to this, but let's see, is there any performance thing they are doing? Because let's see, this is good, but if you go into the Shetchen, you can see, look at their components. Oh guys, these are the components they provided here, and they looks awesome. I can't even tell you how awesome they are. Okay, by the way, Shetchen uses Redux UI behind the scenes. Redux UI is a headless UI library which provides you the components, and you have to style them by yourself. So you can use them and style into your code base and start using that components. So now let's jump into the icons part. Okay, so they have any icons there or not? Okay, this is the input part. Okay, I am very curious to dive into the table part. Okay, so they have provided a very simple table, but if we go into the shed scene, and if you go to the tables part, they have integrated a React table, or you can say 10 stack table into it, and you can create very performant tables if you want to see. So let's go here, and as you can see, look at this. So that's why I like Shetchen, but Park is new here, so I hope they will improve themselves. And also let's see what will happen.